Welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajaleshwari College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from S.N.S. family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So today I'm going to explain about strategic management and its importance. Why the strategic management is important in a present scenario in a business. So imagine a company launching a new products. They're crafting a unique brand of identity through the strategic brand management, positioning themselves as a very stylish and performance. They targeted market companies. So it is engaging a social media as a presence, create a generating the loyalty. This strategy approaches allows them to stand out in the crude market. Competitive consumers and becoming very tough, and it is it's very infinity for making their choice very clear. So why this is important in the present scenario, they will identify the the strategic brand management plays a vital role. So why it is important and how it is important. Strategic brand management refers to building and developing and maintaining a brand to achieve a competitive advantage and meet a specific business objective. It involves creating and implementing a strategy that enhances the perceived value and images of the brand in the middle minds of the customers, ultimately leads to the increase in the brand equally. So, the primary goal is establishing a strong and favorable brand reputation that reflects the target market. So, it is one of the important factor. And for example, it is very important to the why it is basically important to the business management, and it is a business strategy. Competitive advantages. Effective brand management helps a company differently itself from the competitors. A strong brand with a unique value proportion can create a competitive advantages. Also, it establishes a positive and memorable image in the mindset of the customers. So, this differentiates, enables the company to stand out and attack the customers and command the premium prices, increasing the brand equality. Brand equality represents the intangible value associated with the brand, includes the customer perceptions, loyalty, brand associations. Strategic brand management enhances brand equality by consistently delivering upon the brand from a prime and building a trust and creating emotional connections with the customers. So higher brand equality increase the customer loyalty and repeat the purchases and positive words of mouth. So, brand awareness and recognitions. A well managed brand generates the awareness and recognition among the target customers. Companies can ensure their brand awareness, it remembers and easily identified through the strategic brand communication and marketing the efforts. This similarly contributes the consumers' trust and consider the specifically purchasing decisions where the consumers prefer the brand their recognition. Next is customer loyalty and its awareness. Building a strong brand by the customer's loyalty. When the customer develops the positive relationship with the brand, they are likely to remain the loyal and continuous purchase of the products forever. So loyal customers also tend to become a brand advocates, and they promote the brand to the other through their recommendations and positive reviews. This words of mouth making a significant impact of the brand and its reputations of the customers. Next is a price premium and profitability is also one of the important factor for the strategy management. Like the brand with a strong reputations and it receives a value can commands a higher price than the lesser knowing the alternatives. It helps and justifies the price premium by creating the perceptions of the superior quality, reliability, and the availability of the customer. This ability to charge premium price contributes to the higher profit margin and increase the profitability for the company. So brand extension and opportunities is also one of the reason. For these are all the some important factors which mainly affects the strategic management and the importance. Thank you. This is presented by Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Jairam.